So today I'm going to show you how to, how to get your slime to this stretchy and pokeable and not so like just thick where it stays in like a block. It still pokes, just not like, oh wait, this one is stretchy, but like it don't like stretch that far. Oh, it smells really good. That was random. But I'm going to show you how to get it less thick. Like if your slime is just after you just made it, it's really just like that. That's how this slime was right here before it got all really like this. So I'll show you. Well, I'll tell you first. So what you do is you have your slime, and then then you take some lotion. Okay, there we go. Take some lotion. I'm using this Vanilla Rose one. Do you see it? And what I do is just, here, I'll show you with this one. But this is what I did. Just take it. Yeah, that's enough. Just take it and like, oh my. Just like rub it in the middle. And then just like do that. Put it up like this. And then put it back in its container. And without like mixing it all up or anything like that, you put it in the microwave for 30 seconds and without putting water in it. Okay, don't put water in it, because I tried that already and it doesn't make it like this one. So let's go do that. Okay, without me touching it at all, it's just gonna be super hot and like really hot. I should not have done that. Really hot and runny like it is now. But you just want to get it all out of your container. Oh my gosh. Okay, this one kind of turned out a little different than the purple one behind it. But it'll be okay. Oh, it smells so good. But now you just, like, don't think about how hot it is. Just think about, like, mixing it all together. And after you get all mixed together, you might maybe use a little bit of borax solution. If you guys, do you guys even see it? I don't know. You might need some, you might not need some. With the purple one, I didn't use any. Or, with the slime. But basically all you need to do is just mix it together. And basically it'll be like really stretchy and like pokeable and a better slime basically. So yeah, that's how you get this beautifulness if you like more of the stretchy kind of slime than the thick slime that I just made. Well, that I just showed you. So there's like some more bits of like slime in here, but don't worry about that. And after you microwave it, if it's like not like the stretchy texture that you want and you messed up or something like that, then what you can do is, oh, can you even see it? I can't see if you can see it. But you can just pop it in for another 30 minutes. This one was a little more harder because this one was way more thicker than the black one. This one right here. So this one I had to do like multiple times. First I tried it with water. Didn't really work because it didn't stay like stretchy. It just was stretchy for a little bit while it was warm, and then it went back to like its thickness basically. But now it's really stretchy after I put lotion in it and then rolled it up and then put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. It basically came beautiful. But here's this one. Yeah, since it's cooled off, it's way less runny, like how it was when it first came out. It's more stretchy. And I also like using this, this lotion here too. Peach lotion. Sorry, it's peach and honey, I should say. I like using this one too, so I mean, like, whatever kind of lotion you have around, you can use that. And that's basically all I got for you today. Well, comment down below if you want me to do more slime videos or something like that. I mean, I did try doing a video already on this channel, but that didn't go out so well, so I'm trying again, and hope you guys liked it. And yeah, like, subscribe, I guess, and leave a comment down below what you think, if I should make more videos or if I shouldn't, I guess. I don't know. But there's that one for you. Okay, bye.